Good afternoon, judges, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chang and I'm from Minda Chergas Grade 8 Daycare Center. Today I'm very excited to share with you my STEM project, the Hydropowered electric fan. Before I explain how it works, let me tell you a short story. One evening at home, I overheard my parents talking about the electricity bill. They were worried because the cost keeps going up. What's worse, so much of our electricity still comes from burning fossil fuels which pollute the air we all breathe. Which really made me think, is there another, cleaner way to power something as simple as a fan? A few days later, I went to the river with my family. I watched the water rushing downstream, carrying leaves and little twigs along with it. And that's when the idea struck me. If water has enough forces to move branches, surely it could also turn a wheel and generate electricity. So I decided to build my own model. It works in a similar way to a real hydroelectricity power station. When water flows down from a height, its energy turns a water wheel. The wheel then drives a small generator which produces electricity. That current is sent to the fan, and as soon as the fan receives power, it starts spinning and gives out a refreshing breeze. What I love about this model is that it runs entirely on the power of water. No batteries, no plugs, no pollution. It shows us that renewable energy can help us save money on electricity bills and also protect the planet we live on. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you like my project.